Today, I'll show you how to send non-openers in Klaviyo. Whether you're running a marketing campaign or simply trying to maximize your email reach, retargeting non-openers can significantly boost engagement. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you can effectively reach those subscribers who missed your initial email. Let's start by creating a segment for those non-openers. First, navigate to the audience section in your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, click on Lists and Segments. This is where you manage all your audience data, and we're going to create a new segment specifically for this task. Click on Create List, Segment, and then select Segment. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your segment, which is an important step to keep your lists organized. You might name it something like Non-Openers for campaign name to keep things clear and easy to find later on. Now, let's set up the rules for this segment. You'll want to create two rules linked by AND. The first rule is to track recipients who have received your email. To do this, select What Someone Has Done, then choose Received Email. Set it to at least once over all time. This ensures that anyone who has received your email at least once will be included. Next, we need to specify which campaign they received. Click on Campaign Name, then Equals, and finally, select your original campaign from the list. This part is crucial because it targets only those who received but did not open your initial email. With your segment in place, it's time to prepare your email for resending. Head over to the Campaigns section of Klaviyo. Find your original email campaign, and you'll notice a drop-down arrow on the right. Click that arrow and select Clone. Cloning your campaign allows you to make adjustments without starting from scratch, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your messaging. Now, let's focus on who will receive this cloned email. In the Send To field, select your newly created non-opener segment. This ensures that your follow-up email is sent exclusively to the subscribers who didn't open your original message. It's a targeted approach that increases the likelihood of engagement. Finally, to capture their attention this time around, change the subject line of your email. A fresh and intriguing subject line can make all the difference. Consider something that piques interest, such as, in case you missed it, or something similar. The goal is to encourage those non-openers to take a second look and open your email this time. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a process to re-engage your non-openers in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you can enhance your email marketing efforts and ensure your message reaches as many subscribers as possible. This approach not only improves open rates, but also helps in maintaining a strong connection with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.